I gotta strike fair and square. My life's over. Bye. Ah! Jihad!
It's raining bodies.
It's a raining men. Hallelujah.
Wait, Chris died?
Oh, when are we going to sing? Hallelujah, it's raining men. Hallelujah.
Okay, no offense, Hess, but you were the only one in sight, so suspicion on you.
I'm sorry. Not sorry.
They died to a jihad.
Well, if they died to a jihad, then I would be dead too.
Yeah, but it's... Depressed? Don't you dare do that again.
I'm shooting the bowling.
Hey! I was gonna say, how dare you?
Yo! He was a
I thought it was the other guy and not Brave Wolf.
Got revived with a
Kids, what are you gonna do with
I had the highlight of the round. I got a strike with a bowling ball.
Don't pick me up. Don't pick me up. What you doing? What you doing? Don't pick me up. Hey, don't do that. Don't pick.
Whoop.
I'm a flying bowling ball. Deal with it.
I was gonna kill. I had revived. How many people did I kill with the jihad?
Oh, that computer.
I killed 3 people with a shotgun alone. Like, I don't think I even needed to revive
and I
you.
just see like bodies fly towards me and I'm like, it's raining men.
It's a raining
Me,
men.
like,
No, don't back away. It's okay, you're safe.
Friend, Bane.
You're safe.
No one was listening, I'm so scared.
I knew it.
Whoa.
Killed her.
It's thing. It's thing 2.
I'm gonna
Thing 2, I saw you. I saw you.
If you come in here, you're dead.
Not you.
If you come in here, you're submitting yourself to death.
Oh, whoa!
God.
Koala,
Okay.
stop being so train-heavy.
me, Chris.
I'm Garbage Man. You shot me.
What's in the...
Chris is threatening all of us.
I am in the closet. Do not come in here. Hey.
What is... Okay, Jesus Christ. Hey,
Ow!
Fuck off if you know what's
Koala,
going
stop shooting. That was Koala who shot. Stop shooting people. You're the detective. You're supposed to help people.
Hey.
Nice.
AOS Koala, blue trader.
Get out of my closet.
I shot because every time I hear shooting, I just shoot in that direction. It's just kind of a reflex.
Put down the gun. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Get. I will shoot you.
Why are you not opening the door? Why is he not opening the door? Open the door.
He's a trader.
I don't know.
I'll be censored.
I
Chris
did
has to be a trader, man. It just makes so much sense.
I don't know. You're not opening the door, then he's not opening the door.
Did that.
I just got caught on fire with the Johnson trader.
Oh, I'm sorry. I got on fire. It was reflexes. I'm the worst. It was reflexes. Don't shoot me. Hey.
Hey! He was shooting at somebody!
Okay, was he traitor? Was he traitor?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, fuck.
Bane shot me, guys.
I was born in dark.
Once I didn't shoot.
I'm
you,
sorry,
that was
Koala.
all
I'm sorry, Koala. I'm sorry, Koala. It was reflexes. I'm sorry.
Here's a hint for traitor. I was born in darkness.
I'm on fire, and I pushed trigger.
I'm just questioning.
I was born with that. Molded by it. And see the light into my mind.
Hey, pressure team,
And then it was nothing to me but blinding.
Get eaten by the bowling ball.
Chris,
What are
how
you doing?
old are you?
In the trash.
Old enough.
I'm old enough too. I guess I sound like a 12-year-old boy. It's awful, but I guess I do. Whatever.